Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem many Excel users face: printing large spreadsheet on one single page. Whether it's a financial report or data analysis, printing your Excel sheet efficiently is crucial. And learn how to print those large Excel sheets on just one page. So for example, I have this large sheet. I want to print it. For example, go to File, Print. As you can see here, I have 3 pages. I don't want that. So go back to the sheet. Now go to View, then Page Break Preview, or just click here. It's the same. Alright. Now click in this line and drag it until here. As you can see now, I have one page. All right. So then go to page layout, not page layout. Then go to orientation and choose landscape. All right. So now go to File and Print. As you can see here, I have all the sheet in one page. Go to page setup, go to margin and put it vertically and horizontally also to put it in the middle. Now you can print all the sheets, the large sheet, in one page. Printing large Excel sheets on one page may seem challenging at first, but by adjusting the page layout, margins, and scaling, you can achieve a neatly printed document. Remember to experiment with the settings to find the perfect fit for your specific worksheet. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Until next time, happy printing!